Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best way to open an Harley bank account in 2026. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you're ready to open an Harley bank account in 2026, here's a streamlined step-by-step guide to get you up and running fast, confidently. So the first thing to do is to gather your information. So make sure you have your legal name, your date of birth, your social security number or tax ID, and a valid United States street address. You also need a government issued photo ID and be at least 18 years old. So after that, you have to choose your account type and start online. So go to harleybank.com or open the Harley mobile app and click open account. Then from the pick account type you want, for example, savings, checking, mobile market, and begin the online application. Complete the application and fund your account. Fill in the required personal details, review the disclosure and submit. There is no minimum deposit for many Harley accounts, but you will want to fund the account within 30 days to ensure full activation. After that, set up online banking and secure your account. So once approved, download the Harley app if you haven't yet, then enable the secure login biometric if available. Set up alert and consider linking account consider linking another account for transfer. And after that, you can also take advantage of offers and features. So check if there is current welcome bonus. For example, Harley offer a 100% bonus for new account through certain referral link. Also features like no monthly maintenance fee, no minimum balance, and access to over 43,000 plus free ATM. So if you found it helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance tip, and drop a comment telling me which Harley account you will happening and if you want help comparing account types. And that's it.